Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Eastwood local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move requires more planning, workforce, and permits to cross state lines and complete a shift, which is difficult to manage alongside packing and moving. But thankfully, professional movers like 3 movers are certified and have a good working relationship with the local federal association. So, they have permitted us with the license to cross any state line and complete a long-distance shift. Our firm also offers insurance on your belongings, so we take responsibility and refund you the damage caused during the transit. Moreover, our movers are qualified to navigate your destination and make sure to complete your shift in a defined time. And as people assume long-distance move will be expensive, we provide local, long-distance, and even international shifts at the most affordable price. Even if you are moving to a nearby society, it is vital to hire a professional mover. They save time and make sure to shift your apartment on the same day moving and prevent any wear and tear. Plus, our firm works toward the client's satisfaction and caters to all the requirements made during the shift. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eastwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.